Hello, my name is Joe Quirk. I'm the owner and creator of Mental Vision Games LLC and Circus Mastered Revenge. I'm looking for a programmer within the United States to assist me with going over uh, the 3D Unity engine code, master code. It's already been written. I just want to verify that there's no mistakes and there's no broken stuff. I don't want to have any issues with it when we launch the update on the iOS store. Um, and I was told by a programmer who wasn't able to help me because he didn't have time. Um, he's in the middle of a different project, but it's not here nor there. But um, I'm looking for a programmer within the U.S. Um, because I'm in the situation I'm in because I was dealing with a development company outside of the U.S. and I don't have legal repercussions to take them to court for not fulfilling the contract um, out of the country. I'm not going through that again. So I apologize, but I've got burned and, you know, I was raised when you touch the fire and it burns, you don't touch it again. So that's how we learn, right? By our mistakes. Um, but yeah, so I'm looking for a developer, a programmer to verify the master code is correct. And um, I have a list of some audio files that are broken and need to be replaced with a drop. I have a Dropbox file folder with all the sounds that need to be swapped out. And yeah, and if we can negotiate and work well together, then there may be some development um, opportunities. Um, we'll see. We'll discuss that on the phone. If you would like to send me your resume, you could do so at mentalvision.info@gmail.com. mentalvision.info at gmail.com. Sorry, I just spelled it so some people spell it different, I guess, um, than I spell it. So I had to verify, make sure. So you send it to the right email address, and we'll go from there. We'll be able to discuss it over the phone. Negotiate a good price. There's a price I won't go above, and there's a price I won't go below. Um, and I was educated from what I'm asking for. A programmer to do shouldn't take more than 18 hours. Um, give or take an hour or two. Depending on the the expertise and yeah. So I'm only looking for one developer right now, programmer. I will be looking for a team soon, and I will post it again when I'm ready to start looking at applicants to put together a team. But right now, I'm just looking for one programmer to go through the code, make sure it's okay for the 3D Unity engine, and then take out the sounds that are incorrect and put in the new sounds from a Dropbox file. And if there's still time, then there might be a small development opportunity. And yeah, so that's all I have for now. And I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.